Hey guys, it's Stereo Police. It's been a hell of a long day. This is for my audiophile friends. Let me just tell you, just give you a quick update. Both on the Akitika, and I'm just doing this for continuity. I'm coming back. But I just want to establish a kind of a stepping stone here. And I want your opinion on something, a very important opinion, because I need your help. And I'm being sincere. Let me give you gosh, I want to make this video like in less than 2 minutes if I can. 3 things. Number one, let me just tell you, I've been in the hospital, not for me, but my dad, who's 94, who I've been taking care of, is experiencing some severe health conditions, and I may be bringing him back to me in hospice care. And it's been a very challenging time. And I'm not asking for sympathy. I'm just telling you it's been a challenging week. And it's tough. And, you know, we all go through these things in life, okay? So enough about that. And it's one of the reasons I haven't been around much. And it's been a hell of a tough time. But my dad, he's doing fine, but it's a tough time. But back to the Akitika. Let me give you an update on that real quick. I believe I mentioned this in my previous video. It's been running absolutely full time for months. If you have witnessed or watched any of my drum cover videos, oh, look at these puppies. Crumble, crumble. All of my drum cover videos, and you know, I'm not that great of a drummer. I try my best, but I really, really love playing the drums. But all of my drum cover videos have come out of this puppy right here. All of the music out of the Akitika. So when I become famous, okay, being facetious. Full time, running for months and months and months. Reliability. It's been reliable. Not a click, not a pop, not a sound, not a nothing. Reliability. Completely reliable. Noise free, nothing. Sound wise, pristine. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Love it. Do you see what's here? On standby. Do you see what's down here? On standby. Do you see what I'm using? Does that tell you what I love? Okay, that's my review. If I had to give you a review in 30 seconds, Akitika. Akitika wins. All right. Second, I'm trying to make a 2-minute video. We're going into my office now. Here's why I need your help, because I've got a lot going on. My dad's in the hospital. He's having surgery tomorrow. And like I say, I'm bringing him home into hospice care. I love my dad to death. Things are tough around here, but life goes on, right? Life goes on. I want to build an audio note kit, multi-bit DAC. I sincerely, I can't do the research. I really can't do the research on this. I want to get started building a kit. My choice is the DAC 4.1. And like there's this price range and there's options. And I fucking love this thing. I love it. It strikes a chord with me and I love it. But I want to know which one to build. I mean, I want to know what options. Would you guys decide for me, please? Just tell me what to get. Tell me what to get. Give me your comments. Which one, what to get. I'll buy it. I'll buy it and I'll build it. End of story. You're going to decide. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to build it. Give me your comments. You do the research. I'll buy it. I'll build it. We'll listen to it together. I love you guys. Stereo Police.